What is up, everyone? It's the Wizzerdrix, the daily random pack opening channel. Another day, another pack. Spin the wheel and see what we crack. And we got Magic Origins. Magic Origins, released July 17th, 2015. It's known to be the last core set, but here we are with more core sets. Notable cards are the 5 Flip Planeswalkers, which are legendary creatures on one side, and when you meet certain conditions, their Spark ignites and transform to the Planeswalker sides. The best one out of the bunch was a Jace Vryn's Prodigy. He's a powerhouse and wouldn't mind pulling another one. Other notable cards are Alhammar's Archive, Sword of the Animist, Archangel of Ties, and Starfield and Nyx, just to name a few. There's also a $3 uncommon, I think, but I think like gathered the pack. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. But anyways, let's get to Kraken. We got Dark Dabbling, Infectious Bloodlust, a Crow Angeler, Thornbow Archer. Actually, he is pretty good in certain green-black pauper builds of elves. So, 1-drop, 1/2 elf archer. Whenever it attacks, each opponent who doesn't control an elf loses 1 life. So, and essentially, in a weird way, it's kind of a 2/2. It could do 2 damage with it being a 1-drop per attack. Maritime Guard, Deep Sea Terror, Wild Instincts, Evolving Wilds, Stalwart Haven. For uncommons, we have Prism Ring. Is a pretty cool card. So 1-drop artifact. When it enters the battlefield, choose a color. Whenever you cast a spell of the chosen color, you gain 1 life. So if you're starting out building Commander and you see this isn't a bad option to throw in just for a filler if you're just starting out. You got a monocolor deck. But you can upgrade as time goes on. Foundry of the Consuls. Anchor to the Ether. And a rare is Animus Awakening. I play this card in a 4-color Omnath, and when it goes off, it goes off. It's a sorcery for X and green. Reveal the top X cards of your library. Put all land cards from among them onto the battlefield tapped, and the rest on the bottom of your library in any order, or random order. Spell Mastery. If there are 2 or more instants and or sorcery cards in your graveyard, untap those lands. As you can see with Omnath and the other various landfall shenanigans, you can see how that gets out of hand really fast. We got a foil uncommon, and we got a foil Patron of the Valiant. It's a 5-drop, 4/4 Flying Angel for 3 colorless and 2 white. When it enters the battlefield, put a 1/1 counter on each creature you control with a 1/1 counter on it. And it sounds like it's pretty powerful, but actually I don't think it really is that powerful. It just sounds powerful. Because for 5 drops, you could do so much more shenanigans with counters. You can run Cathar's Crusade, Doubling Season. This just puts a counter on something that already has a counter on it. But it's a great looking foil, though. A mountain and a Thopter token. As for my pack one pick one, this is an interesting one. Like when it comes to packs like that, I typically just rare draft. But if we're going from a gameplay standpoint, trying to win, I might just take Evolving Wilds because there's just really nothing else. Like there's no removal, there's no big beat stick. I guess you could take the Patron of the Valiant, which is a 4/4 flying for 5. Even then, that's not all that great. Yeah, I would pick Evolving Wilds because everything else in this pack just is not good, like limited wise, in my opinion. Well, anyways, it's been another pack opening. And if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. And once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.